Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, today I'm going to talk about Verve Therapeutics because we're seeing something very interesting happening in Verve. And I thought let's make a quick video about this. So I'm going to show you the chart very briefly and then we'll talk about Verve and revisit the chart again. So if you look at the chart out here, this is the chart for Verve. It's a daily chart, which means each candle is a one-day candle. And we had a cup and handle pattern earlier in 2024, February 2024, and it achieved its targets, went up, and then it dropped down, and there was a huge gap down that happened on 2nd of April 2024. Since then, we have been consolidating in a narrow range, and what we are seeing today is that there's been a huge jump. This happened on 2nd of December, that is yesterday, and the gain was significant. It was a 27.63% jump. And when I look at the news article out here, I don't see anything major coming out which can justify this kind of a move. So I thought, let me put my thoughts together for Verve and let you guys know what I think about this. Welcome back, friends. Today, since we have no news about Verve, this is not going to be driven by fundamentals, but I'm going to give a price target based on technicals. It could also happen that we reach the price target or we go close to the price target and then give up some gains because there has been a huge gap down here. On the other hand, gap downs generally act as magnet for it to be covered. So it could go either way, but at the very least, we have a price target that we can look at. And this triple bottom is characterized by this straight line which joins the bottoms and this diagonal line which I have used in order to connect multiple points at the top. So given that this is the diagonal line for the top, I'm going to take a line from the bottom out here, take it all the way to connect to this top, and then I'm going to clone it, and I'm going to change the color so that we can see it clearly, and I'll move it up and position it here. So this gives me a target of $8.49 for Verve Therapeutics, which means there is some more gains to be had. Of course, these are my personal opinions and not financial advice, so be careful out there because $7.16 turns out to around 7,160 if you're doing a 100 share buy. And if you don't reach the target, or if you fall and you turn around, then you'd be really upset with me. So please remember that these are my personal opinions. And you can already see that in the pre-market action, it's around 7:39 a.m. on 3rd of December. When I'm looking at this chart, and in pre-market action it is down minus 0.28%. Of course it's going to be down because there is a lot of people holding the bag and they may like to take some profit. And if you look at the RSI, it's reaching overbought and momentum is just turned into bullish. MACD is bullish, and I think if you look at past historical records of how much Verve has gone on the RSI chart, then I think we have a cutoff of around 77.73, which probably is an average indication of where the RSI can go before turning back. So I think that we still have some room out there, but this is a risky trade. Many times chart patterns may not come true. Most of the times they come true, but there are times when they don't come true. You can see that in the past we had a cup and handle pattern which did not materialize. So be careful. I just wanted to share this with you and wish you a good day at the markets. I'll catch up with you again with the next video. Bye for now.